My name's Debbie Heller. I'm going to be 59, and I've been a member here in Sharon off and on for 4 years. I joined for health reasons, not just to lose weight, but to lower my body fat and to feel healthy. The best thing about getting in shape for women is the 4 women at a time maximum of training. You get the full attention of your trainer, and it's really good about using the equipment that for some reason I never can do on my own. The idea of having an appointment at the regular gyms, if you don't want to go, you just go home instead of to the gym, whereas here they expect you. If you don't come, you're taking away somebody else's appointment, and it's just the atmosphere is wonderful, the trainers are terrific, and it just works so well. Get in Shape for Women was most affordable for what I was looking for. One-on-one training is extremely expensive, whereas the idea here, it allows you to be able to get the best of all worlds.